Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this really cool custom poster of my Toyota Tacoma. So first gen Toyota Tacoma in color light silver. So got this custom made, and I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got this from. It's from Amazon order. Really cool. Step 1, unroll with care, fragile print, fragile print. Register lifetime warranty, that's cool. And then review. Alright, so this is a custom print that matches my actual Toyota truck. And I'm very excited because I am currently upgrading my truck. So you'll see a lot of parts and stuff for my truck. Toys for the truck, just upgrading a lot of stuff in the next couple of months. All right. Ooh, this is sick. Let's see, hopefully I can get this all on. Oh, that's sick. Try to do it carefully. Flip it over. Oh man, that's exactly what I wanted. Exactly my first gen Toyota Tacoma. So definitely, it's my baby. Gonna be upgrading it. Internals, all that stuff. Cool, everyone. Let me know what you think of this product in the comment section below. And this print is sick. I will definitely link the video description below on where you can get one of these. All right, everyone. Take care. Later.